Good morning, students. Myself, Gagandeep Singh. I am assistant professor from mechanical department in Chandigarh Polytechnic College. Today we will discuss about workshop technology volume 3. First of all, let's start with the subject introduction. Diploma holders are responsible for supervising production processes to achieve production targets and for optimal utilization of resources. For the purpose, knowledge about various machining processes and modern machining methods is required to be imparted. Hence, the subject of workshop technology. Next is syllabus. It consists of 6 chapters. First milling, then grinding, then gear manufacturing and finishing processes, then modern machining processes, metallic coating processes, and last is metal finishing processes. This is the outcomes of workshop technology 3. Uh, First is perform boring, eternal threading on lathe machine, perform milling machine operation on vertical and horizontal milling machine, operate tool and cutter grinder, operate cylindrical grinder, surface grinder and eternal grinder on grinding machine, and use milling machine accessories and attachment, explain gear hobbing, gear shaping, gear shaving and gear finishing processes, also explain the working and use of modern machining practice, explain the working principle of metallic coating processes, and explain the working principle of metal finishing processes. These are the reference books for Workshop Technology Volume 3, Manufacturing Technology, Workshop Technology Volume 1, 2, and 3 by Chapman, Production Engineering and Science by Pandey, and a Production Engineering by P.C. Sharma, Workshop Technology Volume 3 by R.P. Dhiman, and Production Technology by HMT. Rule and regulation for online classes. The attendance will be compiled every fortnight, and it is mandatory for the students to maintain minimum 75% attendance to appear in all exam to be conducted by PSBTE and IT at the end of semester as per attendance rules of PSBT and IT Chandigarh. Students are fully responsible for their internet connectivity, clarity of audio and video in the class. Be ready for the online classes at least 5 minutes before the class time and sit in a quiet place without any distraction and disturbance. Keep your book, notebook, stationery, and other materials at hand before the start of the class. Frequent latecomers will not be weird from joining further session. Do not eat during session. Please eat your food and use washroom during the 15-minute break time allot after every class. If any student is found disturbing the class by posting unnecessary chat or feedbacks, he will removed from the class and would be marked as absent. It is for the benefit of all that decorum of the class is maintained at all times. Let's start today's topic, milling introduction. A milling machine is a machine tool that removes metal as the work is fed against a rotating multiple cutter. The milling cutters rotates at high speed and it removes metal at a very fast rate with the help of multiple cutting edges. One or more number of cutters can be mounted on the arbor of milling machine. This is the reason that a milling machine finds wide application in production work. Milling machine is used for machining flat surfaces and surfaces of revolution, external and internal threads, and helical surfaces of various cross sections. These are the typical components produced by a milling machines. Next is working principle of milling machine. Working of a milling machine is based on the fact that milling cutters is fed against workpiece. This is achieved by developing relative motion with precise control between workpiece and rotating milling cutter. Feed motion is generally gives the workpiece through its holding device, and cutting mechanism of the workpiece in milling operation is same as that in turning operation on lathe. This cutting takes place due to the plastic deformation of metal by the cutting tool. Milling machine can also hold more than one cutter at a time. The holding device is supported by mechanism that can offer a selective portion of the all of the workpiece to milling cutter for its processing. Indexing is the one of the example of this type of processing. Next is specification of a milling machine. Along with the type of milling machine, it has to be specified its size. Generally, size is of a typical milling machine is designate as given below. Number one is size of the work table and its movement range. Table length into table width as 900 mm to into 275 mm. Table movement longitudinal travel into cross into vertical as 600 mm into 200 mm into 400 mm. Above travels indicates maximum movement in a direction. Next is number of feeds available, number of spindles, speeds available, and total power available, spindle nose, and floor space required, and last is net weight. Next is the two methods of milling processes. Number one is up milling or conventional milling processes. These are the this is the diagram of up milling processes. in this in this method of milling as shown in figure, the current rotates in a direction opposite of the workpiece is fed. This method is commonly this method is commonly used for machining, casting and forging because this method is enable to the cutter to dig in and start the cut below and the hard upper surface. Further in the upmilling, as the cut proceeds, this chip thickness increase generally for to the direction of left to right or right to left, in shown in the figure. It is minimum, the example is 0 at the start of the cut and the maximum and at the end of the cut. Next is down milling. In this method of the milling is shown in figure. uh, the cutters rotate in the same direction to the work is fed. This method is specially used for finishing operation like slot cutting and milling grooves, etc. Further, it's in upmilling. As the cut proceeds, the chips thickness decrease gradually from sides left to right, as shown in figure. It is maximum in the beginning and minimum in the 0 at the end. Next is types of milling. Types of milling. Number one is column and knee type of milling machines, and second is planer milling machine. The the types of column and knee type of milling machines are hand milling machine, horizontal milling machine, plane milling machine, universal milling machine, and vertical milling machine. Next is planar milling machine, and third is fixed bed type milling machine. These are the types of fixed bed type milling machines: simplex milling machine, duplex milling machine, and triplex milling machine. Fourth is machining center machines, and fifth is special type of milling machines. These are the types of special types of milling machines. Number one is rotary table milling machine, planetary milling machine, profiling milling machine, and duplicating milling machine, and continuous milling machine, and drum milling machine, and last is profiling and tracer controller milling machine. In Next topic is horizontal milling machine. In this machine, we are also known as plane milling machine. The plane or horizontal milling machine is shown in figure. In this simplex form, it consists of a column which is hollow structure housing the driving motor, speed change gears and spindle and mechanism for controlling the table and knee movements. Its base is made hollow to store the coolant in front of the column. Machined wave are provided on the which the knee slides up and down with the help of elevating screw. Knee form the base of the saddle to slide towards lengthwise on the saddle with our usual means are provided on its clamping of jobs or fixture. The job on the table has three motions. Number one is vertical. This is this is up and down movement of knee which is obtained by the mechanism that attached the knee to the column. Second is cross. This is in and out or transverse movement of table which is obtained by moving the saddle in relation to the knee. Last is longitudinal. This is back and forth movement of the table which is obtained by adjusting table position with relation to the saddle. Cutters are mounted on the horizontal arbor. The horizontal arbor is rigidly supported by the overarm spindle and braces. The spindle is made hollow with the trapping hole at the nose and arbor are held in the position by long bolt with screw into the tapered end and is fastened at the back of the machine. In the hollow casting of the column, motor drives the cutter shaft with a belt or chain. One of the engaged clutch power flow from the cutter's shaft to the spindle through a set of the speed, change gears and then the feeds of the table. The same and knee through another set of gears for the quick change of speeds and power feeds from the job mechanical, electrical or hydraulic devices are used. Next is vertical milling machine. The vertical knee type milling machine is also called because the vertical position of the cutter, spindle and the table movements are longitudinal, cross and vertical direction. The spindle can be moved up and down to perform the operation like grooving, slotting and dyeing, performing, facing, drilling and boring, etc. The vertical milling machine is also used for perform and milling and face milling operations. The vertical machines is two types. Number one is vertical milling machine with fixed bed. In this fixed type vertical milling machine, the spindle will always remains vertical but can be adjusted up and down. The vertical milling machine with fixed bed and second is vertical milling machine with swell head. In this swelling head type milling machine, the head can be turned to any desired angle. The vertical milling machine with swelling head and next is types of milling cutters. These are the main types of milling cutters. Number one is milling plain milling cutter, then side milling cutter, then face milling cutter, then angle milling cutter and end milling cutter, fly milling cutter and T slot cutters and formed cutters and metal sliding saws. Next is operation performed on milling machines. These are the main operations performed on the milling machine is plane milling or slab milling, face milling, then angular milling, then form milling and straddle milling, and last is gang milling. Thank you. Thank you very much.